Hello everyone! Today we are going to see how to make an easy Oreo popsicles. To make these Oreo popsicles, take some Oreo biscuits in a packet. You can use either the small packet or the large one like this. Without opening the biscuit packet, crush the biscuits into small pieces. I am using a rolling pin to crush it into smaller pieces. You can use anything you want, just make sure the biscuits are powdered a little bit. Once you break the biscuits into smaller pieces, we'll cut this Oreo packet. Now if you're using a small packet, then you will be cutting the corner of the packet. If you're using a large packet like this, then cut right in the middle. So we get two popsicles. Place these two packets in a small tumbler or a glass so that it will stand somewhere without falling. I removed a little bit of the biscuit from the top of the packet because I felt there was too much biscuits in this packet, but you can continue as it is, or like me, you can remove a little bit from the top. I removed about a quarter of biscuit from each packet. So this is what was remaining. In this we are going to pour some milk. As you keep pouring the milk inside the biscuits will keep absorbing the milk. So pour as much milk as possible. And then you can place popsicle sticks in the middle of this Oreo packet. And then freeze this for about 3 to 4 hours till it's completely frozen solid. And then after 4 hours, we are going to melt some chocolate for the next step. I've taken 250 grams of dark chocolate. You can either melt this chocolate in a microwave or you can use a double boiler like this and melt the chocolate. Just place some water in a vessel and let it boil, and place the chocolate on top of this water. And the chocolate will melt just by the steam coming from the vessel, the water that is boiling below. This way you can melt the chocolate very easily. I have used dark chocolate. You can use any chocolate you want. You can use dairy milk also. Make sure it's at room temperature before you start melting. Once this chocolate is melted, pour it onto a tumbler or a glass and set this aside. Now bring the Oreo popsicles from the freezer and remove the packets. You can give the children the popsicle just like this itself. You don't have to use the melted chocolate. Kids will love to eat popsicles like this, but I'm going to do one step extra and coat this popsicle in some melted chocolate. So bring your melted chocolate back and immerse this popsicle inside the melted chocolate. Dip it in and remove it and hold it on top of this chocolate itself till the excess drips out. And then dip it again. So this will give you a solid double coat of chocolate, a thick coat which will be very tasty and very delicious. Let this set for a few minutes and your popsicles will be ready. So this is it, our easy and simple Oreo popsicles are ready. Kids love Chocobar, so during this lockdown period, if you're not able to get any Chocobar ice creams, this is a very simple and easy way to make a Chocobar at home. You can make similar popsicles with any biscuits that you have lying at home. Do try it out. Until next time, bye-bye.